Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make boiled peanuts, a real southern favorite. And we're going to do it the most simple way, without a lot of effort and having to cook over the stove and stand over the stove for a long time to make boiled peanuts. So basically we're just going to need three things here, and that's going to be a crock pot, a third of a cup of salt, and about 3 pounds of raw peanuts that we have right here. And I've gone ahead and washed these down really well with a colander and running water obviously in the sink and get everything off of the peanuts. We're going to go ahead and add these to the crock pot. And then after we add the peanuts, we're going to add a third of a cup of salt. We're going to add that. And now we're going to go ahead and cut our crock pot on high. We'll go ahead and cover up the crock pot, and we're going to let those cook. Now it's going to take a long time for these to cook, probably about maybe around 8 hours. Every so often we'll come back and we'll stir it. We'll go ahead and let them start cooking, and we'll check back with them in just a little bit. Go ahead and let the peanuts cook for a while, and we will check back with them here in a few hours. Just one thing to keep in mind is just kind of keep an eye on your water level as they're cooking, and that's really about it. So we can kind of set it and forget it here in the crock pot, and we'll go ahead and let the peanuts cook, and we'll check back with them soon. Okay, so the boiled peanuts have now been cooking for about a little over 7 hours, and I've stirred them about every hour just to keep mixing with the salt and the water and get the peanuts all mixed together real well. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you'll see the peanuts now, they were floating at the beginning. Now they've been cooked, they're mostly on the bottom. So that's another way to tell. And you want the shell to still be firm, but you want the meat of the peanut to be soft like this. That's the proper way to cook them. So once again, if you hadn't had a chance to subscribe to our channel or give us a like, we'd appreciate that. Also, if you want to give your boiled peanuts kind of a Cajun or Louisiana style kick to them, you can add a little bit of cayenne or a couple tablespoons of crushed red pepper. That'll give them that spicy kind of kick that sometimes people want in their boiled peanuts. But once again, this is how you simply make boiled peanuts using a crock pot, peanuts and some salt. You can add a little bit of sausage or smoked sausage or that if you want to add that to your peanuts while they're cooking also to give them some more flavor. That's up to you. And once again, if you hadn't had a chance to subscribe to our channel, if you wouldn't mind doing that now, that'd be great. Or give us a like, we'd appreciate that. And once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers, and we want to thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.